Elon Musk's SpaceX company just confirmed eliminating a Russian drone with the permission of the American government. No doubt, this may likely affect the future relationships to be forged between the United States and Russia. You may wonder how the event will play out to be. Let's find out the genesis of the whole story and how it changes everything, shall we? Welcome to Posh Future, where we talk about science, technology, and of course Elon Musk. Are you a fan of Elon Musk? Do well to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to be updated as soon as our content is uploaded. Russia has allegedly deployed a new series of spy satellites in the low Earth orbit, an area claimed to be only 100 miles above our abode. The existence of this object was only revealed when U.S. Strategic Command traced one of these satellites, only to notice another object approaching behind at an insane speed. This series of events has led military experts to conclude that there must be more than meets the eye in the existence of this satellite. It would seem that SpaceX's CEO has a better idea for eliminating this threat. To achieve this, Elon Musk launched his powerful spacecraft into space, carrying nothing but fuel. Okay, you heard that right. Musk didn't carry an armored tank to space. All he needed to do was shut down the spy satellite, making use of fuel as an explosive weapon. No doubt, this ingenuity demonstrated by Mr. Musk has set a new trend in space warfare. Russia would definitely think twice before launching an attack against him or his allies. Meanwhile, some couple of months back, Elon Musk's California-based satellite company SpaceX launched more than 2,000 of his Starlink space internet satellites into orbit at the request of the Ukrainian government. This took place right after Russia disrupted Kiev's communication services amidst the ongoing war that began on the 24th of February. Days after activating the satellites and sending Starlink terminals to Ukraine, Musk predicted that Russian hackers might try to jam the signals. His prophecy read true in March when Musk revealed that they had resisted all hacking and jamming attempts and were directing SpaceX efforts on countermeasures at the expense of other projects. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky makes use of the Starlink to address the nation amidst the ongoing war. Aside from its usefulness in terms of communication and military warfare, the Starlink plays a major role in keeping Ukrainians abreast on issues arising from the war. With Russia trying to constantly impede on the connections provided by the Starlink, Elon Musk gave a solution. On Twitter, Elon Musk revealed that there is now a provision of a new software update that reduces power consumption and can bypass jamming transmitters. The Russian government has accused Elon Musk's support of Ukraine as aggression. Dmitry Rogozin, head of the Russian space agency Roscosmos, describes Musk's intervention as when Russia introduced its highest national interest on the territory of Ukraine, Elon Musk appears with his Starlink, which has been declared before as purely civilian. In the face of imminent threats from the Russian and Chinese governments, former US President Donald Trump once proposed the creation of a new branch of the military called the United States Space Force. In response, U.S. Air Force researchers created an active denial technology that produces a high-powered beam of millimeter wave and transforms it into a very high temperature of up to 150,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This defense system is capable of destroying a rival satellite by hitting it with intense heat. In order to make it suitable for use on a missile, a new power source that produces more power supply than traditional sources had to be developed. Elon Musk's satellite program came in like an answered prayer. This massive project can melt other military satellites within a short period of time. Let's not forget that Elon Musk's space exploration company, SpaceX, has built a giant spacecraft-cum rocket, popularly referred to as the Starship, in a bid to drastically change defense technology and counter-attack constant threats from arch-enemies. Moreover, the rocket plays a big part in the plans of the U.S. Department of Defense to deploy swarms of affordable satellites capable of detecting, tracking, and targeting both hostile missiles and enemy troops without endangering human life. The Starship is also part of Musk's grand plan of creating a self-sustaining city on Mars by 2050. Over the years, experts have been working around the clock to develop a high-powered laser beam able to disrupt spy satellites and missiles. This search led to the development of the directed energy weapon, better known as DEW. This infamous ballistic weapon is famed for its ability to terminate adversaries without wreaking massive havoc. World powerful countries like the US, China, and Russia are working on various DEW prototypes. We all know that SpaceX is designing a satellite constellation for global internet access. Now, Elon has revealed plans to launch 4,425 low Earth orbit satellites, making use of his own rocket design and technology. This has generated a lot of public skepticism, especially since Russia threatened to destroy Musk's Starlink satellite if it ever comes online. According to Russia, the Starlink was part of the United States military attempt to spy on them. However, Musk vehemently denies such ulterior motives. Again, with the ongoing Russia and Ukrainian war, the Elon Musk Starlink program is giving the Ukrainian force winning leverage over the current ongoing drone war, as the country battles with technology to prevent the imminent invasion of the Russian troops. Reports claim that drone technology could be used alongside the Starlink to keep the connection and provide intelligence, given that Ukraine has constantly experienced power outages since the start of the war. True enough, days after the Starlink was launched with terminals sent to Ukraine, Russia attacked, but Musk, being whom he is, was able to resist all hacking and jamming attempts. Now, this fast counter move by SpaceX has generated a lot of applause from the global audience. Irrefutably, Elon Musk could demonstrate to the United States military some classic moves in creating a better system aimed at protecting against cyber warfare. Thank you for watching this video. Please let us know your thoughts in the comment section below.